Hello everyone, this is Mr. Smith and I'm here to talk with you today about addition. In class, we've been working on a new addition strategy which is called column addition. Now, we've already talked about the partial sums addition where we start with the hundreds column and we add the hundreds, then we add the tens, then we add the ones and combine them all at the end. Another addition strategy that we're covering in class is column addition. Column addition is similar to traditional addition. I'm going to show a question to you here. For example, if we're trying to add 248 plus 187, in traditional addition, we would start in the ones column and we would add 8 plus 7 is 15, and we would write down the 5 and carry the 1. In column addition, we do the basic adding in each column first, and we do all of the trading and rearranging the columns later at the end. Take a look. 8 plus 7 is 15, 4 plus 8 is 12, and 2 plus 1 is 3. Notice that in each of the columns, the 15 and the 12 are written in the column. Even though they don't fit, we put the entire number there for the first step. All right, here's our second step. So we end up with 3, 12, and 15. And in the second step, we're going to go to that 15, and we're going to just trade or regroup the 15. So if we come over here, if I can get my finger to the right place, here's our 15. And what we're going to do is we're going to take that 110 and we're going to move it over here to the tens column. So in the ones column, we're left with a 5, and the 12 in the tens column now becomes a 13. So we have a 3, a 13, and a 5. For our final step, we still have one column that needs to be regrouped. So if you look here for our final step, right in the middle, we have our 3, our 13, and our 5. So now we're going to regroup or trade right here at the 13. The 1 in the 13, the 10, I should say, is going to come over to the hundreds column. So the 3 becomes a 4. So we're left with 4 in the hundreds, 3 in the tens, and 5 in the ones, or our answer, 435. So basically with column addition, we're doing the same thing that we would in a traditional problem, except we're writing the numbers at the bottom and doing the trading at the bottom instead of carrying our numbers up at the tops of the columns. Now, you may be wondering why we don't just show the students how to do the traditional way for everything. The idea with everyday math is to expose them to a lot of different strategies, and hopefully one of them will help to make it clear what the process is that's going on when we're completing this addition problem. So the goal is for students to understand how to solve this problem by partial sums, understand what's going on when you solve it by column addition, and then if they still choose and find it easier to solve in the traditional way, then that's okay too. I hope this makes column addition a little more clear to you as far as what's going on, and if you have any other questions, just let me know and I'll do my best to explain it.